Hi, Jenny Lovemeyer. We're here on Culture Tour in the southeastern U.S. Get ready to hear from our team members about how they help customers during this busy holiday season.
The speed of service is important. Getting ready for the winter, we get a lot of trucks coming from the south and they're needing chains because they're going north. We do a lot of tire passes. We check the tread belts to make sure that they are ready for the snow and ice.
Here, our guests talk a lot about Loves has everything that a Walmart Supercenter has. So this is winter clothing right now. So it's everything from your casual driver to your ski professional. So kind of a wide variety for both the professional driver and for the casual guest.
We typically get with our vendors and strategize what are our best sellers and our cooler, especially because everybody's traveling through and like to grab drinks. So we want to make sure that we have enough to get through the week. We get 2 deliveries throughout the week, but even with those 2 deliveries, we still try to up our orders on that. And that's where I play a big part of communicating with our vendors and making sure we have understanding on our orders.